Hello everyone, my name is Zoya. I joined Active 3 years ago and I work for CTV campaign management team. So our latest user acquisition campaign for RMG gaming is a great success. We outperformed our CPA target by 25%, and that means CTV is no longer only for brand awareness, but is bringing measurable performance. CTV means a big screen. Bigger screen means more attention, which will drive even better conversions because in advertising, attention is the key. So unlike traditional UA, where we're limited to small screens and crowded ad spaces, CTV connects with users when they're at home, they feel relaxed, and they're ready to take action anytime.